If you have a camera from Tapo like the C425, C420, or the C400, one of their benefits is battery-powered camera. What if you didn't want to worry about taking them down to charge? Then something like the Tapo Solar Panel could be what you're looking for. The Tapo Solar Panel itself is very large at 6.88 by 9.37. It's giving you a lot of solar surface. With that solar surface, you have premium monocrystalline silicone cells, and you can actually tell where the solar cells are. See the outline right there? Pretty much the entire face of this is a solar cell. It has IP65 weather rating, and you can feel that because of the rubberized texture on the front of it. All of this surface allows the solar panel to generate up to 4.5 watts of power for your camera. If we flip this around to the back, we actually have a threaded mount here, and you'll be able to use this with the included adjustable mounting bracket, which also comes with anchors and screws, allowing you to place this much more efficiently to get as much solar power as you can. Allowing for that easy placement is the 13-foot cable that comes with it, and this is why it's only for specific Tapo outdoor cameras. Here you can see that is actually a micro USB cable as opposed to a USB-C. You do have a little Tapo branding on the front there. What this will allow you to do is keep your Tapo battery cameras in place without having to take them down to charge, meaning you're not having to take them down and stop monitoring your home. With those cameras, the application also will show you how much solar input you're getting, letting you know if you need to adjust the angle of the solar panel to get better charge rates for those cameras. Honestly, if you're using one of the Tapo battery powered cameras that I mentioned before, you really should be looking at this solar panel because it will help you keep those cameras charged and in place for longer. If you're in the market, the Tapo solar panel for the Tapo C425, C420, and the C400 series of camera is a must-have.